Alright, so here we are seeing cheating. That's what's going on here. Her husband came home from work, a hard day at work. Hard day of work, most likely. He thinks he's coming. Look at this guy holding his breath. He thinks he's coming to a woman, a housewife, that's just swimming in his pool. And it turns out that there's a guy holding his breath. What? 33 seconds. Okay, he needs to try out for the Olympics. He really does. I look at the effort this guy does to cheat. And he knows that woman has a man. Now look, he's about to lose his life for her. And look at her already trying to say, nah, go over there. Throwing God's clothes. Throwing the evidence away. Dang, oh man, he's gonna take his time. Ah, this is sad, man. Hopefully he thinks he came back home to a happy wife. Look at him. Ah, man. Bro, you don't know where her mouth been, bro. This is crazy right here. Another soldier down there. He's about to go in the pool, actually. He's going in. Oh, yeah, he got to see him then. He finna see him. What? If he gets out, he gets caught. If he gets out, he gets caught. That's what's going to happen. She's trying to distract. She's trying to convince and distract him. She should have got out the pool. Yeah, but looks like he's coming in the pool. He's coming in. 1 minute and 50 seconds. This guy's being underground. There, she's running. There, she's out. She's out. It's like, oh, darling, don't get in the pool. Let's go in and let's go. I got your dinner ready. And look at this guy. Ain't nobody gonna tell him. Who's gonna tell him to get out? Oh, there you go.